Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix to continue verify a payment method. If you are unable to, you can add a new payment method which will remove all other payment methods. So guys, when you have added any payment method on your Apple ID on iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue again and again and you need to verify your payment method, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen and now you have to open your settings here. So guys, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone or iPad. And after this, you need to go back, scroll it down, click on general. From here, you have to click on VPN and device management. So guys, you need to disconnect your VPN if connected. And after doing this, you have to check for software update and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. And guys, now you have to click on your Apple ID name. And after this, you will see this type of interface here. Simply, you have to click on payment and shipping. So guys, when you have click on it, you will see a new interface here. So guys, in that interface, you have to add a new payment method. So guys, if you have added already any payment method in which you are facing this issue, simply you have to remove that payment method and add a new payment method here. And after this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem and having this type of issue again and again, no need to worry. You have to open an internet browser. And guys, here you need to search support.apple.com. So guys, as you can see here, you have to search this official website of Apple Support. So guys, you have to wait. From here, you have to select your gadget. I am using iPhone, therefore I have selected iPhone here and scroll it down. So guys, at the bottom, you will see the option of get support. Click on start now. And you have to wait for some seconds. From here, you will see the option of subscription and purchases. You have to click on this tab. And now you will see here the option of update payment method. You have to click on this one. And now you have to click on continue. So guys, from here you have to click on call us. And guys, you need to call at these numbers, tell them your problem and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.